Hello, my name is Julius, and thank you for watching episode 46 of Applicable Applications. In today's episode, I want to talk to you guys about a tool called Homebrew. Now, Homebrew is a free and open source tool that allows you to install different systems and applications on macOS that aren't natively there. This feature is also available for macOS and Linux. Now, Homebrew to install requires you to use your terminal. So anybody who uses their terminal a lot or is a coder or software developer or just spends a lot of time there will find this quite useful. So to set up Homebrew and install it, you need to go to Homebrew's website, which is brew.sh. Then once you do, you will see a installation prompt that you'll copy and paste into your terminal. So I use macOS, so I'll be using macOS as an example of how to install this. So you'll copy that and then paste it into your terminal in macOS. Once you do, you'll see some text, and then Homebrew will start to install itself on your macOS device. Once it's done, it's installed, and now you can start installing other applications using Homebrew. Now, to do this, what you could do is you would go to the Homebrew website and then type in an application you wish to install. An example I'll give is Python. Let's say I want to install Python onto my macOS device. Well, I would just type in Python, and then I would find the specific one I want to install, click on it, and then I'll see a installation prompt to install Python as well. I'll copy and paste that into my terminal, and then Python will begin to install on my macOS device. And it works for things like applications, for example, VS Code. It also works for things like video games. You can install things like Steam or League of Legends onto your macOS device. So it gives you the ability to do more within your terminal. It allows you to kind of extend the amount of time you're able to spend in there by allowing you to download and install different applications that you need. And another great thing about Homebrew is that the installation prompt that you use, it's something you can also kind of memorize. The only thing you would need to change is the end portion. So I'll go back to the example. Let's say I want to install League of Legends on my macOS device. Well, to do that, I would just type in the beginning half of the installation prompt, and then at the end add League of Legends. But I will also need to make sure to put a hyphen in between League and Legends, because you can't have spaces in there when you're installing. But if you can kind of figure out how the name of the application you want to install, and you can memorize that beginning piece of code, for some people, you won't even need to go to the Homebrew website. You can just install what you need from there. And the longer you use it, the more familiar you'll be with Homebrew. And the less you'll have to find yourself in something like a web browser, which is really nice. And Homebrew will also allow you to install different applications that can customize your terminal as well. One popular application that people would use to install and customize their terminal is My Z Shell, which you can install using Homebrew, which is a lot easier as well, or something like Power Level 10K. Having Homebrew on your Mac OS or Linux device gives you this extra amount of flexibility or ability to use your computer in a new way or in a different way that is easier. Not to mention that when you install devices on your MacBook, you'll sometimes see the installation package just left on your MacBook, or a bunch of files there. When you install applications with Homebrew, one of the cool things is that not only does it automatically install it for you, it removes those installation packages, automatically adds it to your application folder, so you're not trying to kind of organize it or wonder where did I put it, or have to find all these installation packages just kind of scattered around your desktop or in your downloads folder. It takes care of that all for you, giving you not only quick accessibility to these apps, but it helps you stay organized as well. So it's great. If you find yourself in the terminal a lot, I really recommend you guys should try it. It's not only a time saver, but just a ease of access tool that I think if you code or just do anything terminal related, I think you should give it a try. So my name is Julius. That's all for episode 46. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next episode.